In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your trunk lock actuator on your Chrysler 300. It's located on your trunk. Remove your grommets using a trim tool. You don't have to remove all of them, but we do need to get in here. So remove as many as you need. Now we're going to remove our handle. You're going to use your trim tool and pop it out of the space and take it down. Now you might be able to get that down enough to get to this. You are going to have to remove the handle and push it through. And you can either use a bungee cord to hold that down, or you can take this whole thing off. We're going to unhook our connector back here. I'm using a flathead screwdriver, a very small one. And disconnect it. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket, and we're going to take out 2 bolts that are holding the whole lock on. You do have a ground wire on this back one, so just make sure that doesn't go spinning with your bolt. Leave my bolt there. And we'll go to this other one. Remove your pot. Now we're going to install our new pot. I'm going to line it up the way it was. We're not going to forget our ground wire. Get our bolt started. All right, once you have those both soldered, you're going to tighten them up. Make sure the actuator is up against the trunk before tightening down, and make sure your ground wire doesn't spin around. Go another 1/4 of a turn after you've snugged it up. Now that's snug, so you're going to plug in your connector. Make sure it's secure. Make sure your ground is tight. Tighten up your bolts. Once they're snug, you're going to go about a 1/2 turn. Do the same on the other bolt. That should be good. Now we're going to undo our bungee cord here, or you can put your panel back if you took it off. Feed this through. Pull that handle out. It has a little Velcro there. You're going to attach it to the rug. And we're going to put all our plastic grommets back in. your handle back in. Should just snap into place. And put your last one in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.